I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by building a recovery USB and confirming the machine will boot from it. Plug a known working 8 GB plus stick and write Windows Recovery Media. Once done, reboot into BIOS or UEFI and force USB first. Make sure secure boot settings match the media type. You do not need to back up everything first if you already have an external copy, but note partition layout and product key. This guarantees you can run repair tools and access command prompts without booting into Windows. You will now attempt automated repairs, then move to manual commands if needed. Boot the USB, choose Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and run Startup Repair first. It targets corrupted boot files. If that fails, open Command Prompt and run bootrex/fixmber, then bootrex/fixboot. If access denied, run diskpart to set the EFI partition active and assign a letter. Once permitted, run bootrex/rebuild to rebuild the boot configuration. If disk errors persist, run chkdsk on the system partition to fix file system problems. You finish by validating the repair. Remove the USB, reboot, and verify Windows loads normally, then restore your BIOS/UEFI boot order. If you run a dual boot setup, restore the other bootloader or use bcdedit to add or repair boot entries so both systems appear. Make sure to run sfc/scano once inside Windows to repair system files. If things still fail, enable verbose boot and check Windows /system 32 /log files for errors. This single diagnostic log often pinpoints remaining module failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.